It was a beautiful summer morning. Bubbly the bear was enjoying the weather in the garden, sitting under a tree, feasting on a banana. This banana is so sweet, just like my favorite honey. Meanwhile, there was this annoying bumblebee which saw Bubbly Bear eating a banana. Its mouth started watering. Wow, that banana looks so yummy. I want to have it at any cost. Let me go grab it. So, the bumblebee flew over to the bear, buzzing loudly around his ears. Bubbly Bear shook his head and tried to shoo away Bumblebee. But while Bubbly Bear was distracted, the bee tried to snatch the banana. Bubbly Bear looked at it in surprise. Hey, why did you try to snatch the banana? Don't you know how to ask using the magic words? Magic words? Yes, there are 2 magic words. Let me sing a song for you to understand better. There are 2 little magic words that can open any heart with ease. One little word is thanks and the other little word is please. When you want something, ask please may I have that something. Good manners are never out of style. There are 2 little magic words that can open any heart with ease. One little word is thanks and the other little word is please. When you get something, say thanks for that something. Good manners are never out of style. There are 2 little magic words that can open any heart with ease. One little word is thanks and the other little word is please. One little word is thanks and the other little word is please. One little word is thanks and the other little word is please. Wow, such a beautiful song. And yes, now I learned the magic words too. So, tell me which are the 2 magic words? One is please and the other is thank you. Very good. So, will you snatch the banana again? No. I will ask, could you please share the banana with me? Yes, you are a smart bee. Here you go. You can have a bite. That was tasty. Thank you so much, Bubbly Bear. Aha, smart again. You're welcome. You learned the magic words so fast. And shall I tell you another secret? Secret? I love secrets. Tell me soon. Aha, not like this. Ask me please. Oh, Bubbly Bear, could you please tell me the secret? My dear friend, I have always seen you fly all alone without any friends. And do you know why you don't have any friends? Why? Tell me please. It's because you never use the magic words. Try using them all the time and see it for yourself. Okay, I gotta go. Bye. Okay, Bubbly Bear. Bye. After a few days, Bubbly Bear went out to the garden for a walk. He could hear a familiar sound. Zzz. Hey Bear, how are you? Hey Bumblebee, I'm fine. How are you? I'm doing good too, and I'm not alone anymore. The magic words have got me a new friend. Look, this is Buzzy Bee. Wow, that's awesome. As I told you. So, do you want another banana now? Yes, please. Here you go. Thank you so much, Bubbly Bear. Bye. You are most welcome, my friends. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the show. So, do you remember the 2 magic words? Yes, please and thank you. So, use it as often as you can and make everybody happy. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.